What's up guys, Officer Dan here, and if you have never butterflied chicken legs before, this might change how you grill chicken forever. These cook faster, stay juicier, and the barbecue sauce I'm making today, an absolute flavor bomb. Stick with me. Welcome back to Makin Bacon PD, where the recipes are simple, the fire's hot, the flavor is always on duty. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And today we're doing butterfly barbecue chicken legs. Alright, let's start with the part most people skip, butterflying the drumstick. Grab a sharp knife, cut off that little knuckle at the top if it's still attached. Some are, some aren't. Now run your knife straight down the middle of the bone until it's exposed, pulling the meat away from the bone a little bit at a time. Make small cuts on each side of the bone. Gently push the meat away from the leg until it lays flat. Don't remove the bone, just open it up. Here's why that matters. Flatter chicken means even cooking, faster cook time, and a way better char. Have you ever cooked chicken like this? Let me know in the comments. Now let's season. I'm using chicken dust today. Salt, pepper, garlic, a few other spices. Super simple, great color. Use whatever rub you'd like. This method works for everything. Now season the cut side first. Press it into the meat. Flip it over, pull back the skin, season underneath, then lay the chicken skin back over and give it a light coat on top of the skin. This way it ensures that the meat's actually seasoned, not just the skin. Let it sit for a few minutes. That rest matters when it's time to hit the grill. Alright, now this sauce right here. This is the reason you want to stay till the end. In a saucepan, add 1 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Bring it up over medium heat and let it simmer till everything's heated through. Heads up though, this stuff splatters, so don't walk away too far. The way this sauce sets on this chicken at the end, that's the magic. Alright, real quick, this part saves people from dry chicken. We're setting up a 2-zone fire. Hot side for searing, cool side for finishing. If you only remember one thing from this video, don't rush the chicken on the direct heat. Are you team charcoal or gas? I'm charcoal all day. Tell me which one you're using. Now start skin side down over the hot coals. Let that skin render and crisp up. Don't move it too early. Once you've got good color, flip to the cut side and get a nice char there too. Look at that color. That's exactly what you want. Now, move the chicken to the cool side, bones facing the fire. This is where it all comes together. Brush on that gorgeous barbecue sauce. Let it set for a few minutes. Flip and sauce the other side. As that sauce drips down, it creates its own smoke hitting the bottom of that hot grill. That's more flavor that you can't fake in an oven. Once the chicken hits 165 to 175 internal, pull it off and let it rest. Alright, moment of truth. These are juicy, tender, packed with flavor. You get a little sweetness, a little heat. That char just brings everything together. This might be my new favorite way to cook chicken legs. So let's recap. Butterfly the chicken. Season it well. Make that sauce. 2-zone fire. Sear then finish. Sauce. And enjoy. If you enjoyed this one, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe, ring the bell so you never miss a chance to fire up something good. Ingredients and products, as always, are linked below. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And as always, keep making bacon.